Challenge 3312, Easy Parameters. Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript type challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you wanna learn and become a TypeScript pro. Easy parameters. Implement the built-in parameters generic without using it. For example, you are given a function. Function params type is my parameters type of foo. Alright, so here we definitely do again our test type. Test equals, and I'm gonna just do parameters here now to see how it works. Type of foo. So this gives you a tuple of all the arguments of a function. So arg1 is string, arg2 is number. Let's do bar, which is arg1 is boolean and arg2 is an object with a and a. My parameters. So what I would now do is check again t extends this function type args, and then we put here infer params, and then if that is true we return params, otherwise false. Okay, first of all we do any. Alright, let's check this out. Test is exactly what we had before, and we're using my parameters, and it looks like all the test cases pass, so also this one is really easy. And what we did here is we checked, does t extend a function type, and we inferred the type of the argument array. With ... args we kind of collect all the arguments together in an array, and then we let TypeScript infer the type of the array, and that's what we return if it is the type, otherwise we return false. Let's check out solutions. Parameters, English, my parameters, t extends, okay, that's what was given. Check again, t extends, infer s, okay, if that's the case then return s, any, okay, that's exactly our solution. This, yeah, okay, I mean, you can call it whatever you want, but I think args makes a lot of sense because it's kind of customary. Then we are done. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.